Oh my god.
Oh!
What a idiot!
So I'm in Reading, a Chevy Tahoe, license plate USMC6, just hit me on the side and he's not stopping.
Okay, well, where in Reading are you, sir?
Okay. Come on, Country Road.
West Street and Country Road.
Yep.
Okay, and you're still behind the vehicle? You're not injured?
I'm not injured, I'm still behind the vehicle and he is not stopping. I flashed my lights.
Alright. Travel? Sir, can you speak with Reading?
Yeah. Hey, I'm headed towards Jesus Christ. I just crossed Fremont Street. Headed hell, I don't know what that direction is.
What kind of car is it?
It's a Tahoe. A silver Chevy Tahoe. It's still traveling on West Street. I've just crossed, actually he just made a turn onto Willow.
Onto Willow. He just turned onto Willow.
Yep, just turned onto Willow.
Okay.
He's still refusing to stop. I've flashed my lights several times.
Okay.
I do have a dash cam. Unfortunately, it doesn't give the back, but it gives probably the point of impact and the him going around me. He just turned into some private academy school, Austin Preparatory School.
All right, he's at Austin Prep, right?
He's at Austin Prep.
Austin Prep.
Now he's getting ready to. I'll let you listen.
What you doing?
I got 911 online.
Good for you. Me.
You ran into.
Cut me off and hit me.
Sir, put your window up. Put your window up, sir.
So now he's as you can see, he's very belligerent to me.
Yep, just keep your window up, all right? Don't get out of your car. Stay in your vehicle. Lock your doors. The police are on their way.
Yep.
And what's the male look like?
He's a white male, older gentleman. Sir, please leave.
Okay.
Please leave away from me.
Yep, white male, older, middle age.
Yep.
What's he wearing?
He's wearing a black jacket. He's getting in his car and he's getting
Black
to drive.
jacket?
Yep. He's driving off again.
He's driving off now? Okay.
Yep. Should I follow him or no?
Only if you feel safe to do so, sir. He's leaving Austin Prep right now.
He's leaving Austin Prep. He just made a
Is
right.
he taking a right?
No, he left. He made a left. He made a left.
A left. A left out of Austin Prep?
Yep.
Are you still behind him, sir?
I'm 2 cars back behind him. He's at the traffic light at, was that Lowell Street?
You're at Lowell Street right now?
Lowell Street, yeah. Lowell.
Okay. He's at the light on Lowell Street right now?
Yep.
Okay, I'm just parroting what you're saying so my partners can hear me, sir.
Yep. And he went straight.
Sir, put your hazards on and back off a little bit. You say he's still going straight, right?
Yeah, he's still going straight, yeah.
All right. Put your hazards on now and back off. The police are going to be coming by.
Okay.
Did he cross over to Grove Street, sir?
Yeah.
I hear the sirens.
Yeah.
Okay. You following at a safe distance at this point?
I am. There's a second patrol car coming. I'm going to pull over for him.
Okay.
To let him pass. And then I'm directly behind the second car.
Okay. Okay, why don't you pull over right now, sir, and an officer is going to be coming back to talk with you, okay? Just pull
Okay.
over on the side of the
Turn left, then sharp right.
Parents in tears because their kid could no longer get an A in my class. I wasn't the teacher who wanted to destroy
No
them.
way!
I just wanted them to be accountable, and sometimes that meant
No way! You did not just hit my
This
car!
job became a lot of fun because instead of waiting to be ambushed by parents, I could work on making my class fun for my students